Hello again, everyone. I'm back with another case video. These cases are from Poetic, and they were kind enough to send me both of them. They are the Poetic Guardian case for the Google Pixel 9 or 9 Pro, not the XL model, but the regular 9 or 9 Pro, or the and the Poetic Revolution case, also for the 9 and 9 Pro. The Guardian case has a built-in screen protector, and both of them are ruggedish cases, various degrees of ruggedness depending upon how much protection you need. And the Revolution case also has a screen protector with military grade protection. So you can pick up the Guardian case. This one is the less bulky case for $22.95 on Amazon. Okay, and I have them both in black here. You can also pick up the Revolution case if you need something a little thicker for also I believe it's also $22.99. Let me check. Excuse me here. There we go. Yeah, $22.95. So they're both roughly the same price. Again, they offer varying degrees of protection. So let's go ahead and unbox them and check them out. So this is the Guardian case. This is the smaller of the two. And they're both pretty good size, I would say, in terms of thickness. You get some screen protector accessories, so to wipe off your screen, and this is a way to the instructions on how to put it on. It's pretty easy. It's not too bad. I didn't have too much difficulty with other models they've sent me. I've been sent both of these, and both of these are actually good, solid cases. It just depends on what you are looking for mostly in terms of thickness. So there's that. Attention, separate from front frame from lower right corner. So it has a little kind of nib there, if you will, to kind of stick your fingernail in, and then that's how you get it out of the case. Now it is a little, and so it tells you what to do here. It is a little tricky sometimes, so let's see if we can get it on. It's a pretty tight fit around the frame from the back of the case itself. As a matter of fact, I think we could just squeeze it in there, but we'll go ahead and see if we can get this out first. There we go. So the frame comes apart, so it's kind of like a two-parter. Actually, it's more almost like a three-parter because you also have the front cover as well. So this is the back of the case. It comes with a film to protect it. I think I might leave that on there. We'll see. Or does it have one on the inside too? Yeah. No, actually it doesn't. So we're good there. Here's the front cover. So these have built-in screen protectors. I have a screen protector already on the case, but it looks like you have options. So you actually have two choices. You can use a screen protector or not. So this one has a built-in screen protector. You peel off the back here. And so it looks like you can go either way. So that's pretty good. Like if you have your own built-in screen protector, you can use the screen protector, the version that already has one, or you have the option of not using the screen protector and you can actually just put your own in. Personally, this is a little bit more like a, not a tempered glass screen protector. It's more like a plastic screen protector, and it's very thin. So and it does have the sort of cutout here. I don't know if it's necessarily a cutout, but you see like the fingerprint scanner there. Yeah, I can't really pop it out, so it's not really a cutout. It's a little stickier there too, interestingly enough. Here's the peel off. So you peel it off. Okay, but we're gonna go without the screen protector because I already have one on. So here we go. We pop it here, and then we pop it right back here. Gemini wants to spy on us here. Give me a second. Okay, so actually, let me do this on camera so you can see. It's really easy to pop in. So this is really nice. It's a good, nice, thick case here. If you have a screen protector already on it, I think this is the way to go. As you can see, it has a lot of bezel protection. It's a really nice, thick case. It does let you see the back, so we'll peel off the back here. You can see the color of your, it is a fingerprint magnet, so you want to wipe that down before you put it in there. You can see the back of your phone nicely, so whatever color you have, and it does have nice lip protection around the camera housing as well. So I actually really like, and the grip is really good on this, so I really like it. It has a protection for the USB-C charging plug. Let me go ahead and pop one in there to see if it plays nicely. Yep. And there you go, you're charging up, so that works. And then also we'll try the wireless charging. Let's let's see here. I got a very old school wireless charger. There you go. It's ready to go. So the wireless charging works perfectly fine with it. I must say, I do, for 22 bucks for the amount of protection you get. And especially if you like to have this covered, the USB-C port covered, because sometimes, you know, they can be a little bit, get a little dusty. It has nice cutouts for the speakers, the microphones. Everything is cut out really nicely. There's a lot of protection all around. I actually really like the grip of it. I'll be honest, you know, some of these cases are a little bit thick for the larger phones, but for the smaller pixels, the 9 and the 9 Pro, I think this is actually a really good size. Again, I would opt for the one without the screen protector. But if you want something temporary, like say you just got your phone and you want to use this one until you get yourself a tempered glass one, I don't think it's a bad option at all. And then you have the option of putting in the second one. So that's pretty cool. So that's the Poetic Guardian case. Again, you can pick it up on Amazon for $22.95. So let's go ahead and get the other case open, which is the Poetic Revolution case. Now the one with the Revolution case has actually a kickstand, so that's going to be pretty cool. Let's get this off here. Okay, it's not too bad to get it off. And let's try out the Revolution case. So again, Poetic Revolution for the 9 Pro, and this is also in black. Let's clear some of this out here. Now this case is going to be a little more heavy duty for those of you who work like in construction, or you know, have a job where you're kind of banging your phone around sometimes. That's going to be, this case will come in handy. And I do like the built-in kickstand as well. So again, same thing. Please separate front frame from the lower right corner. So you notice there it has the little indentation. It doesn't have them anywhere else. So I like that kind of specificity there. And again, Poetic cases, you know, these rugged cases, I've tried different brands. You know, honestly, they kind of all are pretty equal quality for the most part. Some of the off brands or no-name brands maybe aren't quite as good a quality, I would say. But, you know, this is that. So here's the back part. Actually, let me just go ahead and open the front part as well. And again, it's going to be the same thing, right? You're going to have the option of screen protector or no screen protector. So, yeah. So you can go either way with it, whatever you prefer. I'm going to go without the screen protector again because I have a built-in screen protector already. This one is a little bit thicker, so it's a little harder to get out here. So it'll come out eventually, but it's a little bit of a challenge. Yeah, so there we go. Oh, I did it without breaking it. That's really good. So it has the built-in kickstand here, right? So it just slides back and forth. Okay, so this is, again, it feels a little thicker than the Guardian case. If you want to do a comparison, you can kind of see it's got a little more thickness to it in the back. Although I will say the camera housing isn't as pronounced. So it's more pronounced on the Guardian case, I noticed. So it's almost like the whole case kind of catches up to the housing there. Yeah, so that's kind of what it feels like. Okay, let's pop in our phone. Again, here's the frame. Pop that in first. And then we'll pop in the phone itself. Oh, easy. So that's really nice because it's pretty easy. This too is a pretty, you can definitely feel the thickness on this one. The bezel, a lot of the indentation here, the lip protection, a lot of lip protection there. Again, same thing with the cutout charging port. It feels it's pretty thick, but it doesn't feel, I mean, especially because this phone is so small. So the one advantage of getting the smaller phone is that if you can get a bulkier case and it doesn't feel like overwhelming or too big. So in that sense, I think it's pretty good. Here's so you can go this way or you can go this way. So whatever viewing angle you want, and you can clip that in so it'll stay put. I kind of like both of them, to be honest with you. You know, I've reviewed these cases for the larger phones, and I think the advantage of having a smaller phone is that you'll get you can put a bulkier case on this and not have it feel like so big. It still feels relatively small. So yeah, it's got some interesting little kind of industrial-ish design there, little screw-looking things. Some interesting design choices there. Now the lip, it doesn't feel as thick around here, around the camera, but I think it's because the case itself is also pushed up more. So it doesn't feel as thick as like the Guardian case necessarily, but you can still definitely see that it's pushed up more there. So let's go ahead and test the wireless charging on it. And let's see here. Yep, it's charging. You can see there, charging. So yeah, so I think that's a pretty solid option. Again, this is a Poetic Revolution case. You know, I probably bang for your buck. The Revolution case maybe is a little bit better in the sense that you'll get the kickstand included because they're both the same price. But it will be a little thicker, a little heavier, slightly. So if you want to see your phone, although again, it's a fingerprint magnet there in the back. If you want to see your phone, then this might be the option. But to be honest, I think either of them are good. I think it just depends on what functionality you want. Do you want something a little thinner, but offer still the same, almost the same kind of protection? Both of them have nice grip. I would even say this is a little grippier. It feels a little more rubbery on the Guardian case. But the, and you know, the all work, buttons all work well too. So there's that. Or do you want the kickstand and a little bit more protection? Whatever you prefer, but I think they're both good options in terms of bang for your buck. I mean, $22, $23. It's definitely cheaper than the OEM cases, and those don't offer much protection at all. So yeah, that's all for now. Again, thank you to Poetic for sending these out for me to review. And but you know how it is, I keep it real. You get the Guardian or the Revolution cases. And again, I think that if I had a larger phone, unless I worked like construction or something, and I really needed that protection, I probably wouldn't opt for cases that are this thick. I prefer to have a thinner case like I do on the S25 Ultra. I just have the OEM case. But for a phone that's actually smaller, you can get away with a thicker case, a bigger case, get the protection, and honestly, it doesn't even feel like you have a large phone still. Okay, well, hope you're well, hope your family's well, and take care of yourself.